Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to get nice to naughty using sugar products and let's get started with the tutorial. So I'm just gonna use sugar products for both the looks. So first I'm just gonna take this primer and I'm just gonna apply all over my face, and I will be just blending it really nicely into my skin. It will give me a flawless base for the foundation, and it also minimizes my pores. Next, I'm gonna use Ace of Face foundation in the shade 40 Brave, and I'm just gonna apply all over my face. This is the perfect match for my skin tone, and I'm just gonna use the brush which comes along with this foundation at the back to buff this foundation into my skin really well. And I'm taking concealer in the shade Chino, and this is 03 I guess, and I'm just gonna apply under my eyes, on my forehead, bridge of nose, cupid's bow, and to my chin, just to highlight these points of my face. And then I'm just gonna blend it really nicely. I'm also gonna take the concealer to my eyelids just to cancel out any darkness I have on the lids. Now to set this concealer, I'm gonna use Sugar's compact powder, and I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna dust it wherever I have applied the concealer, like under my eyes, on my lids, bridge of nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and chin. Now let's do the eyes. For that, I'm just gonna use the gel liner. It's in shade 03. It's a brown gel liner, and I'm gonna use the brush it comes along with, and I'm just gonna line my eyes with it, and I'm just gonna create a really nice wing. So this will be like a brown winged eyeliner look, and yeah, I'm just gonna do it on both the sides. I'm also gonna smudge the same eyeliner, whatever is left on the brush, to my outer corners of my lower lash line, just like this. Now I'm gonna take Subtle Summit Sugar Contour Palette, the highlighter, and I'm just gonna pop to my tear duct just to open up my eyes a little bit. And then I'm just gonna take Black with a Bang mascara, and I'm just gonna coat my eyelashes really nicely with this mascara, and also I'm just gonna coat my lower lashes with this mascara. Now I'm just gonna contour very lightly for the nice look, and I'm just gonna blend it really well to be my temples, and also I'm just gonna take some of the contour shade to my jaws as well. And then I'm gonna take blush, and I'm just gonna apply to apples of my cheeks and blend it with the contour. I am skipping highlighter for the nice look that will be in my naughty look. So yeah, this is how my face looks like. Also, I'm just gonna dust a little bit of blush to my nose just to have that really nice flushed wintry look. Now I'm just gonna take lip primer, and I'm just gonna apply it to my lips. And I really love this primer because it just makes my lips so moisturized and soft, and my lipstick stays for a longer period whenever I use this primer. And for lipstick, I'm using Tan Fan Smudge Me Not a lip liner in the shade 03. It's a beautiful shade. You can use any pinkish nudish kind of shade for this look, so I'm just using this, and this is how my nice looks like. This is the kind of look you can wear at daytime, or day office party, Christmas party, office party, whatever, but at the daytime. So let's see how the naughty looks like. So for the naughty look, I'm just gonna do few changes in the same look. So I'm just gonna take the brown eye gel liner again, and I'm just gonna apply all over my lid like this, and then I'm gonna take a smudger brush, and I'm just gonna smudge the eyeliner. This will be my base for the eyeshadows, and I'm just gonna do to both of my eyes, and then I'm just gonna take this palette. This is called Fetish. It's in shade 04, and I'm gonna take these two brown colors together on a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna apply on my lids and blend the eyeshadows really nicely. This will be more of like a brown, smoky look, with some obviously shimmer in the end, and I'm just gonna blend it really nicely. And then I'm just gonna take intense gold from the sugar, of course, and I'm just gonna line to my lids and smudge it really nicely. It will just deepen the whole look because I'm not using any liquid eyeliner, so this will be doing the job. So I'm taking this really nice light pink, and I'm just applying to my crease just to diffuse the eyeshadows a little bit more. Then I'm taking this shimmery eyeshadow and just placing on the brow bone and also retouching my inner corners just like this. Now I'm taking this brownish shimmery shade and I'm just taking it on my ring finger, and I'm just popping this shade to the center of my lids and blending it with my fingers only to the other eyeshadows. Then I'm just gonna take the kohl again, and I'm just gonna retouch my smudged liner look. Also for the naughty look, I'm just gonna waterline with the same kohl, and I'm also gonna take the kajal to my lower lash line as well, and I'm just gonna smudge it a little bit. I'm gonna smudge it a little bit more, you know, just to get that really nice intense gold eyes. Now again, using a mascara, I'm just gonna retouch my eyelashes. Now taking the contour palette again, I'm just gonna take some contour shade and I'm just gonna shape my nose just to make it look a little thinner and sharper. And I'm also gonna retouch my contouring just to make it a little sharper. And then I'm just gonna take the blush and blend the contour really nicely with it. And then I'm just gonna take some highlighter and I'm just gonna place it just right to the highest points of my cheeks. And oh my god, I love this highlighter. It is so beautiful. Also, I'm gonna take the same highlighter on my finger and I'm just gonna place it on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, forehead as well, and a little bit on my chin. And now let's do the lips. I'm just gonna remove the lipstick and I'm just gonna prime it again. And for lips, you can always go dark, but I like light lipsticks with some heavy eyes, so I'm just gonna take this velvet lipstick in the shade 03 Foxy Fawn. It's a beautiful peachy shade, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lips. I love the texture of this lipstick, and yeah, that's it. So this is my kind of naughty look, just really nice naughty gold eye look. You can always go for a darker bold lip if you want, but yeah, this is my naughty look. And yeah, I really hope you like this look. If you like this look, give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe, help me grow. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy.